Hello, class of 2026. This is Miss Mary here. I'm here to discuss the golden ticket and specifically the few surveys that you need to complete in order to get the counseling stamp at the bottom of the first page of your golden ticket. So I'm going to share my screen now. Just give me 1 second and take us through the golden ticket. Okay, so this is how the golden ticket looks. Obviously, yours is printed on a piece of paper and it's yellow or golden. Yeah, you're going to get all these stamps. So the first four all has to do with the library, whether it be your Chromebook, uh, library books, textbooks, things like that. So the first four is all going to be at the library. Then you need your attendance stamp over with Miss K, your VAPA signature and stamp. If that doesn't apply to you, you can write an A. But the main stamp that I'm going to talk about in this video is the counseling office stamp. So there's a few surveys that you need to complete in order to get this stamp from either me or Miss Castillo in the counseling office. If you scroll or if you turn around your page, there is a area here that says that you need to complete these 3 action items. The first action item is the senior survey, and this is in Naviance, and I'm going to show you how to get onto Naviance. So you're going to go to the Aragon High School homepage, and under students, you're going to select student portal. Once you're there, you're going to scroll down and click Naviance. And Naviance will log you in if you're logged on to your school email. It might ask you to log in using single sign-on, and that's that blue button. If you have any issues with that, please come see me and I can help you get logged into Naviance. But once you're on Naviance, this is what the home page looks like. You're then going to click About Me, and after About Me, you're going to click on Surveys from your school, and you are going to take the AHS Senior Survey Class of 2026. So that's the first survey that you need to complete, and that's on Naviance. You then need to complete a wellness survey. There's a bit.ly link here that you can type in, and that'll take you to the wellness survey. We'll ask you some questions. And yeah, if you can complete that, that would be amazing. The last kind of action item that you need to do is what we call the final transcript request form. And this is a Google form, and we use this Google form to send your final transcript to whatever school that you will be attending in the fall. So this is really, really important, okay? So this is the bit.ly for the final transcript request form. It's very important that you, when you're typing in the bit.ly link, it looks exactly like this, capital letters and all. If you don't, it might bring you to the wrong bit.ly link. So it's really important that you type it in exactly how it looks like here. And you'll see a big Aragon High School kind of picture here. If you don't see that, you're on the wrong page. So this is our final transcript request form. It's going to ask you some questions about yourself, last name, first name, student ID number. It's also going to ask for a home address for us to mail 2 physical copies of an official transcript to you. So really important that you put your home address. Very important that you put your personal email address and not your school email address. And so, yeah, and as you go through, I'm just gonna, as you go through the form, it also will ask you if you're waitlisted at any schools. And if you are, I would put down the school that you're waitlisted at. We won't know, though, to send your transcript to your waitlist school if you get into that school unless you let us know. So it's really important if you do have a school on the waitlist that you do get in and that you plan on attending, that you email Miss Rachel Leota, our SDA, and she'll be able to send your final transcript to the place that you want it to be sent to. But she won't know until you tell her. So that's really important. And so once you complete this, you come into the counseling office. Myself and Miss Castillo will be here next week to check off everything. And that's it from me. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm so proud of you all. And yeah, go Dons. Bye, everyone.